So this is a project I built to allow you to play a musical instrument the way that you would a video game, hence the name Nintendophone, a combination of Nintendo and saxophone or xylophone. Because the joystick moves in 8 directions rather than 12, it can't do a chromatic scale, so you can't play exactly what you would on a piano. You end up playing something more like a trumpet part usually, but because of the 8 directions, it works by scales. So that's a blues scale at the moment. And I can put it into a major scale. I can put it into a minor scale. Or this Spanish kind of Phrygian scale that I like to use sometimes. And you can control the key with this button here. So it's really only useful if you're playing with other people, but if the guitar is an E, you can change it to E. The octaves up and down are pretty self-explanatory. The actual machinery involved is pretty simple. The case was made with help from my friend Zeev, thanks Zeev, out of Perspex, cut with a laser cutter into a maker case shape. We did these designs with the laser engraving, the Nintendophone, the Octave Up, the little Super Mario, and we left the sticker on, and that's how you get the white-black contrast. Now I've left it so that you could open the top up. I could show you what's inside. So inside you have your standard arcade buttons, joystick, you have connectors in here. This is the power for the Arduino, and this connects to the amp. And down here you have the Arduino itself with a musical instrument shield on top. As for the coding, it's all an Arduino code, and it sends signals into MIDI, which go to the amp. This just plays, I think this is an E at the moment, and then I can add 8 to the note in MIDI to change the octave, and there are all kinds of little finer adjustments like that, but that's generally how it works. The Nintendophone also has 2 special features that I added. One is this switch over here that does not in fact turn it on, which is what it looks like, but instead it turns it into a drum set. And the other is if you press all of the buttons at once, then it plays the Super Mario theme. Hence the Super Mario.